Started in the Army. So I did several years in the U.S. Army as an infantry officer, airborne ranger, and in 2000 I left the Army and got into the collision repair business. Probably our biggest constraint is that we don't have enough good, qualified, energetic, hard-working technicians. We need qualified technicians to take care of our customers. Can't do it without great technicians. We are partnering with UTI and attending the job fairs and trying to get a great relationship built and find good talent for our stores and provide great opportunities for those UTI graduates. Once we get that entry-level technician coming from UTI to our Pacific Elite store, we also continue their education with ICAR, and we insist that all of our technicians become ICAR Gold certified, and we'll pay for that opportunity as well. So we give our technicians a chance to grow, continue to learn, continue their education. I love taking care of people. You know, it's nice to be able to see that our customers come in. A lot of times they've had a really bad experience, and we've got a team here that we've developed that takes care of those customers, takes care of our employees, you know, helps our DRP partners, and we produce a great job. So I just love seeing our team come together to help people, take care of people.